Hello foodies, welcome back to Novel Kitchen. Today's recipe is an easy and delicious tomato kurma which gives you a non-veg flavor in veg gravy, which is prepared with ingredients that are found in every South Indian kitchen. It can be used as a side dish for idli, dosa, chapati, parota, roti, naan, etc. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add in 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, shallots or small onion 12 to 15, garlic cloves 8, ginger around half inch chopped, red chilies 2. Saute them well till onion becomes slightly brown. Add curry leaves 1 sprig, freshly grated coconut 4 tablespoons. Saute and fry them well till the coconut turns slight brown. Coconut gives this gravy a rich thick consistency. Add mint leaves 6 to 7, garam masala 1 tablespoon. Saute for 2 seconds and switch off the flame. Allow the mixture to cool down and transfer them to a mixie jar. Cover it with a lid, grind little, then again add little water and grind them well to a fine paste. In the same pan, add in nice juicy and ripened chopped tomatoes 6 to 8. Salt 1 teaspoon. Saute them well. We really need juicy and ripe tomatoes for this gravy. Cover with the lid and cook in low flame till the tomato turns soft and smushy. Now it is cooked and soft. Switch off the flame, let it cool. Once cooled, transfer it into a mixie jar. Cover it with a lid and grind it to a fine paste. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add in fennel seeds 1 teaspoon, onion 1 finely chopped, 1 slitted green chilli. Saute them well till onion turns slight brown. Curry leaves 1 sprig. Now add in the ground masala paste. Ground tomato puree. Mix them well until they are combined well. Turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, salt to the taste. Be careful with the amount of salt as we have already added. Mix them well, cover with a lid and cook in low flame for about 2 minutes. Oil starts to ooze out. At this stage, add 3 to 4 cups of water. Mix them well. Check for salt and spice. If needed, add little more. When it starts to boil, cover it with a lid and cook in low flame till the oil oozes out. Now the oil starts releasing. Now as I needed little more thick in consistency, I am covering it and cooking in low flame till it reaches the desired consistency. Now the oil has fully oozed out and I have reached the desired consistency. Add in freshly chopped coriander leaves. Add curry leaves by tearing it with your hands at the last stage. This will help you to enhance the flavor of the dish. Our tasty tomato kurma or tomato gravy or takali kurambu is ready now. It goes well with idli, dosa, roti, chapati, naan, biryani and even for rice. If you like this recipe, do subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Don't forget to leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Thank you.